It is December the 18th. It's Monday. I think everybody's starting to feel a little bit better. Scott kind of has a sinus thing approaching, but hopefully it's not strep. We're all slowly getting better. But anyway, I am moving slowly this morning, but I made a yummy breakfast. I like to make these like crustless quiches or a frittata or whatever, just because it's so nice to not have to get up in the week and cook something. I'm kind of hard to feed and lots of food sensitivities, and so I'll pop in some shots of that, but just a simple frittata. And I'm doing some laundry and some dishes and that kind of thing today. I did measure. So last night I was messing around with this and I weighed it, and it's 31 grams for these little headbands. And I have 36 grams left. So that's perfect for one more of these headbands. So I'm thinking one for James's teacher, one for his OT, and one for my mom. So cute. And then I also, after I went to bed last night, I worked on Dad's sock. I got the heel turned. I did the gusset. Yes. And I'm starting on the foot. So I'm so relieved. I'll be so ready to have these done. I feel like they've been going on for a long time. Trying 3 times to turn that heel the other day when I felt so bad just made it like, these are my forever project. So there's not a rush on those because we don't actually do Christmas with my parents until my sister can come up, and she comes up after Christmas. So I think it's going to be like, so Christmas is on Monday, a week from today. But Christmas with my parents and all of them is not until the next Saturday, so quite a bit longer. So I don't have to worry about that too much, but I do need to get moving on the boys' stuff, and I haven't worked on it. I'm having a mental block. Yeah, I'm having a mental block, but it's on the docket, so maybe I'll get it done. This beautiful blue was the newest color on this little blanket that I'm making, and let's draw for the next one. Oh, okay. A dark one. So dark browns. Yeah. Dark browns. It almost looks like coffee, like a latte. Let's see what the name of this. West Yorkshire Spinners. And it's signature 4-ply. She said she didn't know what the colorway was. But, yeah. So that's what's next to go in the little crochet blanket. So, today I know I've got some house cleaning to do, and I definitely need to like rest. I'm sitting here looking, I've folded a bunch of laundry right here. I need to change the beds, but you know, mostly I need to rest. So, we'll see what I accomplish. Maybe there will be knitting, but tonight is our little Christmas party, which I'm really looking forward to. And we just give a little gift to the kids, and that's it. Scott's making some food. He's really the food guy. I just sort of eat to live. He lives to eat, kind of a thing. So he really enjoys putting together. I think he's going to do a meat and cheese tray and a casserole for tonight. So we may come up with something else before then too. Who knows? But it's a good day because we're all feeling a whole lot better. Talk to you in a little while. It's 11 o'clock and we just got home from our Christmas party. It was kind of way out in the country, but I'll show some pretty pictures of their house. They had it decorated so pretty, just top to bottom. And got to visit with some friends that we haven't gotten to see in a long time. We used to meet with these friends every year, and then COVID happened, and then I think we had a couple of years where we were sick and different things. So anyway, so that was really fun. Today I did get my crochet piece done, and it's really interesting. I love seeing these variegated yarns and how they work out in the crochet. So lots of interest and intrigue in that one. And I worked quite a bit on the little shirt, the little sweater for James's little cat. So I did get some of my more urgent Christmas knitting done. Sorry, it's coming off of the, you see clean laundry piled over there, but you know what? It's just life. It's at least it's clean, right? It's clean laundry over there. I got a lot more of the little sweater knit front and back there. And bound off in the center. So that is getting some love. And I got a ton done on Dad's socks. So I had turned the heel and then, yeah, quite a bit done on that. I worked a little bit on it at the Christmas party. There was a young girl, I think she's 13 now, but she was there knitting, so that was kind of fun because she knew that I always show up with my knitting. So that was fun. We're going to get together and get her over to Yarntiques one day when they're all sitting around knitting together. So I'm beat. This is probably not going to get put up tonight. I'll do what I can, but it's past my bedtime. Oh, I just kicked it. Sorry. Tomorrow, I don't think we have anything scheduled tomorrow, but James is off of school. So I will have to do a little bit of like tutoring type stuff with him. And it's knit night tomorrow night. So that'll be great. I'm looking forward to that. So, yeah, we're just cruising right along, headed toward Christmas faster than I'm ready for, but yeah, it's a good night. I hope you all had a wonderful night. Don't forget to comment. I'm still planning on doing a giveaway at the end of this. If you want to, you can go back and comment on all of the days, and that gets you more entries. Good night.